Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick little Dollar Tree review for you. This is on the LaColors lip oils, and you can find these at your local Dollar Tree for $1 each. 5 different scents to choose from. I may be wrong, but I believe there's about 5. I have vanilla, watermelon, there is a strawberry, a mint, and a grape. Also, these are the 2 that I was interested in trying, so therefore that's why I have them. I have been using these like crazy, especially the vanilla one. And it's not like super vanilla scent, it's a light scent. The watermelon scent is actually my favorite, but I have been using the vanilla one a lot. Now you can find a form of these lip oils on their website. They have gold flakies in them. I believe they're about $3.50 each though. But if they perform like these lip oils, I recommend them. And I haven't even tried them. These lip oils are so good. They're really moisturizing on the lips. They absorb quickly into the lips. And they're also really nice if you just want a glossy kind of shine to your lips. They are so beautiful on the lips. So moisturizing. They don't leave any kind of weird taste or feel on your lips either. So I think that is a plus. Overall, I just wanted to rave a moment about these. They are so moisturizing. And share a quick little tip with you guys on these. If you didn't know that most of the products that you buy to remove liquid matte lipsticks, because they're so stubborn to remove, are oil based. So I wanted to share with you guys, if you can find these lip oils, you can use them to remove your matte lipsticks. And in this clip you'll see that I just dab on the lip oil to the matte liquid lipstick. It is Maybelline's Dreamer. It's a matte ink lipstick in Dreamer. And I just dab it on there, let it set a few seconds, and then I take a makeup remover wipe and just literally just wipe away the liquid lipstick in no time. It is so easy to use these for removing that matte liquid lipstick that's so stubborn. So I had to share that with you guys, let you know that these are beautiful on the lips, absolutely stunning, very, very moisturizing. They come in different colors and flavors, and overall a great product. So do not overlook this. Definitely pick this up at your Dollar Tree if you can find it. And basically that is the mini rave and review. There's not much to say about a lip oil, but I just wanted you guys to know that these are excellent quality. They do work. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this and found it helpful. Well, try these lip oils out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree, LaColors kind of reviews,